Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can get rid of this indicator, low tire pressure indicator, or a TPMS warning indicator of a Mitsubishi Outlander from 2014. We're going to be using this button over here, the info button. This, I'm going to scroll through the menu by that button. There are two requirements to be able to reset this. One is the car needs to be in the ready mode and the handbrake must be on. Then you're gonna use this button to scroll through the menu and find this option, settings menu over here. Keep the button over here pressed, this button pressed over here. Then you're gonna scroll through the menu by pressing it down till you find this indicator over here, the reset tire reset indicator. Press and hold it. You'll see the indicator on the right side blinking and coming back. Return from this menu, press or turn the ignition off and start the car, but the indicator isn't gone. Now you need to drive it for about 1 or 2 kilometers to get rid of this indicator, and after 2 kilometers it will be gone and won't appear anymore. That was it for this video. I want to thank you for watching our videos. Hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.